The Congress has launched a frontal attack on the government on the issue of electoral reforms. The leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, leading the charge on vote chori, alleging subversion of institutions from universities to probe agencies and the Election Commission. The BJP is hit right back with Nishikant Dubey listing out several instances of vote chori, including late Indira Gandhi's election from Raebareli, and election commissioners appointed directly by the Congress and those joined the Congress after retirement. Here's our report.
There is no bigger anti-national act that you can do than vote chori.
ये ईवीएम कौन लेकर आए? ये ईवीएम कांग्रेस लेकर आई सर.
India's electoral reforms clash explodes in parliament. Rahul Gandhi led the opposition's attack, accusing the BJP of capturing every major institution.
I have put forth adequate proof about how the Election Commission is colluding with those in power to shape the elections. RSS attempted to capture one institution after the other.
He questioned why the Chief Justice of India is kept out of Chief Election Commissioner's appointments and why CCTV footage is destroyed after 45 days.
Why was a law put in place that allows the Election Commission to destroy CCTV footage 45 days after the election? What is the need? The answer given is it is a question of data. It is not a question of data. It is a question of stealing the election.
He linked the controversy to the RSS, triggering loud protests from the Treasury benches and repeated interventions from the chair.
मेरा एक सीमित अनुरोध है नेता प्रतिपक्ष से, आप विषय पर ही रहिए. हम लोग सब बैठे हैं, गृहमंत्री जी भी सुनने बैठे हैं, लेकिन आप विषय पर नहीं बोलेंगे तो जो विषय तय किया गया है उसे क्या मतलब है?
We are going to change the law.
But Rahul Gandhi pushed on, demanding opposition access to EVMs.
Till today, we have not had access to the EVM. We are not shown the architecture of the EVM. We're not physically allowed to go and see an EVM. Give us the architecture. Give us access to the EVM.
The attack echoed across the opposition ranks.
The discussion. One second.
100% वीवीपैट की काउंटिंग हो और या जो उससे बढ़िया सलूशन है कि हमको पेपर बैलेट पे वापस चला जाना चाहिए.
सबसे बड़े सुधार की जरूरत यह है कि लोकतंत्र में फिर से भरोसा जगाया जाए. ईवीएम को हटाकर बैलेट से चुनाव कराए जाएं.
এটা সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের অর্ডার নয়, অর্ডারটা পড়ে দিলাম.
Outside Parliament, Mamta Banerjee escalated the confrontation, tearing a central government letter on stage and calling the SIR vote ban.
আপনারা বাংলায় থাকেন, বাংলায় থাকবেন, বহাল তবিয়তে থাকবেন.
The BJP counter-attacked. Nishikant Dubey, a critic of Gandhi's, said the Congress ripped apart the constitution, captured institutions for decades, introduced EVMs themselves, and now sowing doubts.
ये संविधान कैसे कांग्रेस ने तार-तार किया, इसका कोई जवाब नहीं. यदि किसी को इतिहास के पन्नों को तोड़ना और मरोड़ना है, तो उसको कांग्रेस से सीख लेनी चाहिए.
With major elections looming, the battle over SIR, voter lists and EVMs is now a full-blown political flashpoint. The key question, will voters believe the charges or dismiss them? With Ashwarya Paliwal and Mausami Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.